Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove someone from your Netflix account without changing the password. So in order to do this, first you will have to head on to your browser. Once you're in your browser, you will have to open a new tab and search for Netflix. Once you're on your Netflix, you can click on this profile icon right here and go on to account. If you haven't logged in, you will have to log in, and once this account option is opened, you can find this option called manage access and devices in the security and privacy section. So you will have to click on it. The first option, which is also has a new label right there, so I'll have to click on that. Once there, you can see all the phones which are logged into your phones and PC or any other devices which are logged into your Netflix account. So you can simply click on the sign out option of whichever device you want to remove. I'll click on this phone, this Netflix Android phone, and show you how it's done. So I will just click on sign out, and you can see that this device has been successfully signed out. So that's how you can easily remove someone from your Netflix account without changing the password. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.